Let me answer the next question. Per the enterprise plan, they offer import export in tiny details. However, it's only listed after an event. There's a potential problem. However, as my client needs to be able to send email through a third-party site, such as MailChimp's current prior to the event. Right? Yes, you are right. But what you can do. So if you go to events, if you go to attendees, registrations, there's a place where you can import from only other places where you've sold tickets. So you can import stuff, but like you say, you can't export anything and do anything. But what you can do is send emails from inside there. So once it's all set, once you're getting attendees, you can create an email right from the back end of it and send, you can fill it out, write it up, oh, my voice going again. Sorry. Event this time next week. You can check in now. So you can build your email. You can schedule it for a week before, for 2 days after someone's paid, I believe. Oh, here's the schedule, let me not lie. During the event and after the event. So before the event, so you can send it. During the event, you can send it. I don't know where the schedule time and date is. But you can send. So basically, you can fire it straight out. I've tested it. It's in the other video. Maybe I'll share the link on how to do it. But you can send an email to everybody who's registered before, during, and after the event. So you don't need, in theory, to use your MailChimp. I know a lot of people like to use external things and then maybe do follow-up emails. But the workaround is you can send emails from your Backstage. Well, let me go back to where we were before. Emails, add a new schedule, use sample stuff. So yeah, so you can send an email within the system. Cool. I know it's not sort of, it is a bit weird that they don't let you import, export, and sync it with another service, but that feature may come soon too. Especially if more people ask for it, they will add features, they will add things to it to make it better. Cool. Any more questions? You know where I am.